Hi friends, how are you all? I am fine. I hope that you are all fine. And today I welcome you all to today's grammar part, degrees of comparison. So before starting the class, I request you all to share it to as many as possible. Share it to all your friends and groups actually, as it is very useful. And please subscribe my channel. Press on subscribe bell and all. Okay friends, let us start today's class. Today let us discuss degrees of comparison. What is degrees of comparison? How can we use degrees of comparison in our day-to-day life? So let us see friends. The example is Raghu is a clever boy. Raghu is a clever boy. Here we used clever is an adjective friends. Clever is an adjective. And here clever, we used the first form of the adjective. We used the first form of the adjective clever. That means Raghu is a clever boy. Here it is in a positive degree. When we use the first form, it is in a positive degree. Positive degree we use first form. And here Raghu is cleverer than Ranjit. Raghu is cleverer than Ranjit. Here we are making a comparison between two persons. Between the intelligence of two persons. When we make a comparison between two persons, we have to use a comparative degree. Comparative degree. Here it is in comparative degree. Raghu is cleverer than, cleverer. ER is added. Raghu is cleverer than Ranjit. Raghu is cleverer than Ranjit. We are making a comparison between the intelligence of Raghu with Ranjit. So it is called as a comparative degree. Comparing two persons. Comparing two persons' intelligence here. And cleverer than. Raghu is the cleverest boy in the class. Raghu is the cleverest boy. Here we used the adjective cleverest. Cleverest is the superlative form. Superlative form. That's why this is in the superlative degree friends. This is the superlative degree. And before cleverest we used the also. Article the cleverest. Okay. So clever, cleverer, cleverest. Clever positive degree, cleverer comparative degree, the cleverest superlative degree. Raghu is the cleverest boy in the class, means in the whole class, Raghu is the only person who is the cleverest, who is the most intelligent boy in the class. If one is there in the whole class, we use superlative degree. And more than 2 means we use superlative degree. More than 2. When we make a comparison between 2, comparative, more than 2, superlative degree. In the whole class, 1 is there, only 1. Then we use the superlative degree. This is the superlative degree. So before starting the degrees, let us see how the adjectives change their form. So comparison of adjectives. We should learn these things first. So comparison with ER and EST. In comparative degree, ER will be added and superlative EST will be added. So let us see such words. Positive, comparative, superlative. Positive, clever, cleverer, cleverest. Clever, cleverer. ER is added. ER is added. Here EST is added. Cleverest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Similarly, bold, bolder, boldest. Deep, deeper, deepest. Fast, faster, fastest. High, higher, highest. Great, greater, greatest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Rich, richer, richest. Small, smaller, smallest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Young, younger, youngest. Okay friends, in all these words, in comparative ER is added, superlative EST is added to all these adjectives. Now let us see, second one is comparison with R and ST, adjectives ending with E. Adjectives ending with E. When an adjective ends with E, we add R in comparative and ST in superlative. For example, fine, fine. This word ended with E. Here we will add only R in comparative. fine, finer, finer, R is added. Finest, ST is added. Finest. So in this, some words are there, when a word ends with E, we add R and ST in comparative superlative. Fine, finer, finest. Large, larger, largest. Able, abler, ablest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Pure, purer, purest. Rare, rarer, rarest. ER and R and ST is added to all these words. Third one is comparison with IER and IEST, adjectives ending with Y. When an adjective ends with Y, we use IER in comparative, IEST in superlative form. Let us see such words. Dirty. This word ended with Y. Dirty. In the place of Y, we use I. And IER is added. Dirty, IER is added. In the place of Y, IER is added. Dirty, dirtier. Dirtiest, IEST. IER and IEST words. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Holy, holier, holiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Tiny, tinier, tiniest. Okay friends, IER and IEST words, all these are ending with Y. When a word ends with Y, we add IER and IEST. Fourth one, comparison with double consonant plus ER and double consonant plus EST. Consonant, dim, M is a consonant. When we make a comparative and superlative form, one consonant will be added plus ER. One consonant plus ER becomes double consonant. Dim, dimmer, dimmer, dim. One consonant is added. M, double consonant plus ER is added to double consonant. Okay friends, dimmer, dimmer, dimmest. Dim, single M is there. Here double M, double consonant plus ER is added. Here double consonant plus EST is added. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. Fat, fatter, fattest. TR is added. TEST is added. Fit, fitter, fittest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Mad, madder, maddest. Sad, sadder, saddest. So this is all. So far you have learned all these adjectives, friends. There are some more adjectives, let us learn. Thereafter let us proceed to degrees of comparison. The kinds of degrees of comparison. Okay friends, fifth one. Comparison with more and most with lengthy words. If lengthy words more than 2 syllables, we will use more and most to make comparative and superlative degree. Let us see some. Here, beautiful, beautiful, 3 syllable word. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Because for beautiful there is no comparative form. So to make it a comparative and superlative, we have to use more and most. Similarly, courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Doubtful, more doubtful, most doubtful. Foolish, more foolish, most foolish. Horrible, more horrible, most horrible. Splendid, more splendid, most splendid. So these are all lengthy words, long. Lengthy words are used more and most. And finally, sixth one is irregular comparison. Irregular comparison, the word changes completely. That is called irregular comparison. Not the same word. Like bad, worse, worst. Good, better, best. Far, farther, farthest. Late, latter, latest. Latter, last also. Much, more, most. Old, older, oldest. Elder, eldest also. So this is how the adjective form changes from positive to comparative and superlative form. So far we have learned all the adjectives. Now let us apply the adjectives. Let us learn the uses of degrees of comparison. how many kinds of degrees are there and how to use them in our day-to-day life, let us see now, friends. So model 1, there are 5 models in degrees of comparison. Let us discuss model 1. First model, it is used between when we make a comparison between two things or two persons. So model 1, comparative. Mahesh is taller than Ramesh. Mahesh and Ramesh are there. Mahesh is taller than Ramesh, like this. And when we make a comparison between these two, this is Mahesh. Mahesh is taller than Ramesh. Mahesh is taller than, taller, comparative form we used. Taller than Ramesh. So this is how we use. Mahesh is cleverer than Ramesh. He is cleverer than, he is taller than, he is greater than. So this is how we make a comparison. And if we use the same in positive degree, taller than we used. And Ramesh is not so tall as Mahesh. He is taller than Ramesh means, Mahesh is taller than Ramesh means, Ramesh is not so tall as Mahesh. Mahesh is not so tall as Ramesh. Mahesh, this is Ramesh. Ramesh is not so tall as Mahesh. Mahesh is taller than Ramesh. Ramesh is not so tall as Mahesh. This is how we use 2 degrees. Comparative and positive. Reverse. Mahesh is taller than Ramesh. Ramesh is not so tall as Mahesh. Taller than, not so tall as. This is very important, friends. We have to remember this. Taller than, not so tall as. It comes here actually. Ramesh. Ramesh is not so tall as Mahesh. Okay friends, taller than, not so tall as. Gold is more precious than silver. Gold is more precious than silver. More precious than. Not so precious as. When we change it into positive, not so precious as. Silver is not so precious as gold. Silver is not so precious as gold. More precious, not so precious as. This is how these 2 things we have to remember. Gold is more valuable than silver. Silver is not so valuable as gold. Gold is more precious than silver. Silver is not so precious as gold. This is how. Silver is not so precious as gold. Okay friends, let us discuss one more. A deer runs faster than a horse. A deer runs faster than, not so fast as. When we change it into positive, not so fast as. So here, a horse is there. A horse does not run so fast as a deer. Does not run, because here you see this sentence is in simple present. A deer runs. Runs, it is in simple present. This is a 3rd person singular. So that's why when it is a negative sentence, that's why we have to use does. A horse does not run so fast as a deer. A deer runs faster than a horse does not run so fast as a deer. A horse does not run so fast as a deer. I hope you all understood the model 1, friends. Model 1 is we use when we make a comparison between 2 persons or 2 things. Taller than, not so tall as. So Mahesh is taller than Ramesh. Ramesh is not so tall as Mahesh. Ramesh is not so tall as Mahesh. This is all. Easy only. This model is very easy. Let us proceed to the second model. Model 2. This is comparative degree. Ram is not stronger than Bhim. Not stronger than. Here it is stronger than, taller than, positive. Here we added not. This is a negative sentence. Not is added. Ram is not stronger than Bhim. Not stronger than. When we change it into positive degree, Bhim is at least as strong as Ram. Bhim is at least as strong as Ram. Not stronger than. At least as strong as. This at least can be written or can be omitted also. Can be written or can be omitted also. We can say Bhim is as strong as Ram also is right. Can be said. Okay, Ram is not stronger than Bhim. Bhim is strong. Ram is not stronger than Bhim. Beam is as strong as Ram. Beam is as strong as Ram. Beam is at least as strong as Ram. This is how we use this degree. Okay, he is not stronger than beam. Beam is at least as strong as Ram. Visakhapatnam is not hotter than Vijayawada. Visakhapatnam is not hotter than Vijayawada. Vijayawada is at least as hot as Visakhapatnam. Vijayawada is as hot as Visakhapatnam. Hotter than, not hotter than, at least as hot as. We have to remember this. Not hotter than, at least as hot as. Visakhapatnam is not hotter than Vijayawada. Vijayawada is at least as hot as Visakhapatnam. At least can be written or can be omitted. Vijayawada is as hot as Visakhapatnam. We can say like that also. And Sujata is not more beautiful than Sunita. Not more beautiful than. Not more beautiful than. So at least as beautiful as. Sunita is at least as beautiful as Sujata. Sunita is at least as beautiful as Sujata. Not more beautiful than, at least as beautiful as. At least can be omitted also. We can write like this also. Sunita is as beautiful as Sujata. This is how, friends, I hope that you understood. This is a negative sentence. Negative sentence. Ram is not stronger than beam. Not stronger than. Negative sentence. In negative sentence, here in the positive degree, we will use at least as strong as. Beam is at least as strong as Ram. Or else beam is as strong as Ram. At least can be written or can be omitted also. Okay. Not stronger than, at least as strong as. Not stronger than, as strong as. Beam is as strong as Ram. So this is how. This is positive degree. This is negative. Positive comparison. Positive sentence. This is a negative sentence. That's all. These two models are used when we make a comparison between two persons or two things. I hope you understood, friends, these two models. Let us proceed to the third model. Let us discuss model 3. Model 3. So here Mukesh is the richest man in India. Mukesh is the richest man in India. That means in the entire country we will find one who is the richest. At the time we will use this degree. Only one person who is the greatest, who is the richest, who is the tallest, who is the cleverest. At that time we use this degree of comparison. Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh is the richest man in India. The richest man in India. Or this superlative, this can be written like this also. Mukesh is the richest of all the men in India. The Mukesh is the richest of all the men, men in India. Can be written like this also. Okay. So when we make a comparison him with other people, other rich people in India, we will use Mukesh is the richest, richer comparative form. Mukesh is richer than any other man in India. Richer than any other man in India. If you take any man, he is richer than him. Mukesh is richer than any other man in India. You can take anybody else in India, he is richer than him. Comparative form. Mukesh is richer than any other man, singular. Man, man singular. Any other man in India. Or else, this can be written like this also. Mukesh is richer than all other men. If we use all other, men, men, plural form. Mukesh is richer than all other men in India. Or else, Mukesh is richer than any other man in India. Okay, can be written either ways. Superlative degree in two ways can be written. Comparative degree in two ways can be written. But we will prefer this. Mostly we will prefer this one and this one. Okay. And in a positive degree, we will compare others with Mukesh. Positive degree. No other man in India, no other man, a man singular, no other man in India is so rich as Mukesh. No other man in India is so rich as Mukesh. Positive degree. No other man in India is so rich as Mukesh. So here comes positive degree comes no other man. Positive degree starts with no other man, singular. No other man in India is so rich as Mukesh. I hope you understood, friends. Mukesh is the richest man in India. Mukesh is richer than any other man in India. You can take anybody else, he is richer than him. And nobody else is as rich as him. No other man in India is as rich as Mukesh. No other man in India is so rich as Mukesh. I hope you understood, friends. This is. When there is only one, we will use this third model. Next, let us see another one. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. The highest peak, superlative degree, is the highest peak. When we compare it with other peaks, Mount Everest is higher than any other peak in the world. Higher than any other peak, singular. Mount Everest is higher than any other peak in the world. Higher than any other, comparative degree. Mount Everest is higher than any other peak in the world. You can take any other peak, it is higher than that. And in a positive degree, no other peak in the world is so high as Mount Everest. No other peak in the world is so high as Mount Everest. You can take any peak, it is not so high as Mount Everest. No other peak in the world is so high as Mount Everest. So this is when Mount Everest is the highest peak. Then we use this third model. It is the highest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is higher than any other peak in the world. No other peak in the world is so high as Mount Everest or is as high as Mount Everest. Let us take one more example. The lion is the most ferocious animal. Ferocious means the lion is always ready to attack other animals, ready to kill other animals. Ferocious, aggressive. The lion is the most ferocious animal. When we compare lion with other animals, the lion is more ferocious than any other animal, singular form, animal. The lion is more ferocious than any other. More ferocious than any other animal. The lion is more ferocious than any other animal. Positive degree. No other animal is so ferocious as the lion. No other animal is so ferocious as the lion. The lion is very ferocious, ready to attack others, ready to kill other animals. So no other animal is so ferocious as the lion. Okay, understood, friends? The lion is the most powerful animal. The lion is the most ferocious animal. The lion is more ferocious than any other animal. No other animal is as ferocious or so ferocious as the lion. So this is how, when there is only one, we use this model, third model. Now let us, I hope you understood this model, friends. Now let us proceed to the fourth model. Model 4. Hyderabad is one of the biggest cities in India. There are some big cities in India. Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, like that. There are some big cities, maybe around 10 cities are there. Hyderabad is one of them. Many big cities are there. Around 10 or 12 big cities are there. One of them is Hyderabad. Hyderabad is one of them. So at that time we will use this model. Hyderabad is one of the biggest cities in India. Biggest cities, some biggest cities are there. Hyderabad is one of them. Hyderabad is one of the biggest cities in India. Superlative degree. When we compare with other cities, smaller cities, there are many smaller cities. Hyderabad is bigger than many or most, many other cities in India or most other cities in India. Small cities, there are many small cities in India, smaller than Hyderabad. So when we compare Hyderabad with the smaller cities, we say Hyderabad is bigger than many other cities in India, or Hyderabad is bigger than most other cities in India, comparative degree. Hyderabad is bigger than many other cities in India, or else bigger than most other cities in India. Hyderabad is bigger than Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, like that. So many cities will come. Many cities will come which are smaller than Hyderabad. So that's why when we make a comparison, Hyderabad is bigger than many other cities in India. Hyderabad is bigger than most other cities in India. Next, very few cities in India are as big as Hyderabad. When we compare other cities which are as big as Hyderabad, means equal almost Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata and the like, very few cities. Very few cities are there which are as big as Hyderabad. Similarly, very few cities in India are as big as Hyderabad. Okay friends, understood? Hyderabad is one of the biggest cities in India. Hyderabad is bigger than many other cities in India, or most other cities in India. Very few cities in India are as big as Hyderabad. This is how comes fourth model. Let us take another example. The Hindu is one of the best newspapers in India. Best newspapers, some best newspapers are there. The Hindu is one of them. The Hindu is one of the best newspapers in India. Some best newspapers are there. Hindu is one of them. Okay friends, the Hindu is one of the best newspapers in India. When we compare Hindu with other newspapers, the Hindu is better than many other newspapers in India. The Hindu is better than many other newspapers. Smaller newspapers will be there. It is better than many, better than most. The Hindu is better than many other newspapers in India. The Hindu is better than most other newspapers in India. Enadu, Deccan Chronicle and the like small newspapers, so many will come. It is better than many other newspapers. And positive degree. Very few newspapers in India are as good as the Hindu. Very few newspapers are as good as Hindu. Very few newspapers are as good as Hindu. Very few newspapers in India are as good as the Hindu. Very few newspapers in India are as good as the Hindu. Positive degree. Very few newspapers as good as. So we have to remember like this friends. One of the best newspapers, better than many other newspapers. Very few newspapers as good as. Good, better, best. Good is positive, better, comparative, best, superlative. So this is how. Let us take one more example friends. Mumbai is one of the richest cities in India. Richest cities, some richest cities are there in India. Mumbai is one of them. Mumbai is one of the richest cities in India. And when we compare Mumbai with others, smaller cities, Mumbai is richer than many other cities in India. Mumbai is richer than many other cities in India. Many will come, smaller cities, and Mumbai is richer than them. Mumbai is richer than many other cities in India, or most other cities in India. And when we compare smaller cities, other cities with Mumbai, very few cities in India are as rich as Mumbai. Rich cities are very few in number. Rich cities which are as rich as Mumbai are very few. So very few cities in India are as rich as Mumbai. Very few cities in India are as rich as Mumbai. I hope that you understood all these three examples friends. There are some cities at the time we will use this model. For example, Hyderabad is one of the biggest cities in India. Some big cities are there. Hyderabad is one of them. At that time we will use this model. If one is the biggest, we will use third model. One is the biggest. Biggest means we will use the third model. If there are some big cities, Hyderabad is one of them. So we use this fourth model. So model fifth. In model fifth, Let us see, friends. Ramana is not the cleverest boy in the class. In the entire class, he is not the cleverest. This is the negative sentence, not the cleverest. Ramana is not the cleverest boy in the class. When we compare him with other boys, Ramana is not cleverer than some other boys in the class. In negative comparison, comparative degree comes not cleverer than some other boys. Here it comes some other boys. Ramana is not cleverer than some other boys in the class. Not the cleverest, not cleverer than some other boys in the class. Some boys are there, he is not cleverer than them. Ramana is not cleverer than some other boys in the class. And positive degree, some boys in the class are at least as clever as Ramana. There are some boys who are as clever as Ramana. Some boys in the class are at least as clever as Ramana. So this at least can be written or can be omitted. We can write like this. Some boys in the class are as clever as Ramana. There are some boys who are as clever as Ramana. We can write like this also. GMR is not the richest man in India. GMR is not the richest man in India. Not the richest man. GMR is not richer than some other men, plural form, some other men in India. GMR is not richer than some other men in India. There are some who are richer than GMR. GMR is not richer than some other men in India. Some men in India are at least as rich as GMR. Some men in India are at least as rich as GMR. At least can be written or can be omitted. Some men in India are as rich as GMR. There are some who are as rich as GMR. So, not the richest man, not richer than some other man. Some men at least as rich as. So, this is how we have to remember, friends. While changing from one degree to another, they create a lot of confusion. It needs a lot of practice. If we practice, if we learn carefully, we can do better actually. We can use them, use those models in our day-to-day life. Okay friends, I have given one small exercise on that. You learn all the 5 models and you answer these 5 sentences. Like exercise. The pen is mightier than the sword. Into positive and into positive. That room is at least as big as this. Into comparative. Suresh is the most brilliant boy in the class. Into comparative and positive. Keats is one of the greatest English poets. Into comparative and positive. Mahesh is not the most handsome boy in the class. Into comparative and positive. You answer. You write answers for all these sentences. You can test yourself. Check yourself whether you understood or not. Okay friends. If you follow them carefully, you can understand all these 5 models. You can use them in your day-to-day life and conversation in written as well as spoken English also. So, okay friends, once again, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.